What's going on, guys? Today I want to show you one of our instant activities that we call hula hoop bowling. The equipment you'll need for this game are hula hoops, obviously, cones, buckets, poly spots, whatever you want to use to mark the students' spots, and gator skin balls. The goal of the game is to roll your ball and try to get it to stop in one of the hula hoops. If you can get it to stop in one of the hula hoops, you will pick up that hula hoop and bring it back to your team, and that's how you keep track of your points. Here's a quick video of some of our third grade students playing hula hoop bowling. As you can see, when they're running out to get the ball or the hula hoop, they're trying their best to avoid other teams' dodgeballs that may be rolling near them. Students should not be kicking or trying to stop other students' dodgeballs from rolling into the hoops. Some modifications you can use for this game would be changing the ball that you would use, maybe using a tennis ball or a basketball or a football even. We've even done it with hockey sticks and trying to hit a hockey ball and get it to stop inside the hoop. Instead of, in hockey, kids like to hit the ball as hard as they can or the puck as hard as they can. This way they can work on their touch and their passing and not just trying to hit it with all their power. When the round is over, students will count up how many hula hoops they have and then scatter the hoops back out into the gym, and we'll start over and try it again and see if students can beat the score from their previous round. Thanks for checking out our video of hula hoop bowling. I hope it works for you in your PE class. I know our kids love it, and it's a great way to start out class.